Hello everyone, my name is Hung Kim and I'm a sound designer. Today I'll be guiding you through a tutorial for VARCO Sound. Thank you for joining me. When you input text or visual assets, the system will generate sound samples that match them. Today we'll work on sound design that fits a video. Let's get started. First, let's listen to the sound samples that were generated. They already sound great, but we can make them even better. VARCO Sound is designed to help you create sound assets and build your own sound library with these. For this scene, how about adding the sound of bicycle? All sounds great, but I'll choose this one. I added it to the track and moved it into the right position. And I'll name the track as Bicycle. And to only listen to this clip, I'll solo it. And the clip seems a little long, so I'll adjust it at the end a little bit. And to make it smoother, I'll make a fade in and a fade out at the end, and at the start. And if I play it, good. And when I listen with all the other clips, volume should be a little bit adjusted. So for the walking sound and the ambiances, I'll make it smaller. And also for the river sound, I'll make it a little smaller too. Now, what else do we need? I think maybe adding more breath sound might be better. The third one sounds great. I'll bring this one into the track and I'll rename it as breath. In this part, I would like to get a similar but heavier breath, so I'll bring it into the variation and generate. I'll choose the second one and bring it to the same track. And the first one seems a little long, so I'll trim it down a little bit. and put the second one right next to it, and also trim it down. So if I play it, it has two kinds of breath inside. Now let's add up music into the video. This is exactly what I was looking for. It sounds good. The music is a bit long, so I'll trim it. And apply fade in and fade out. Now let's listen to the final result. All the sounds come together just as I imagined. What do you think? Does it sound good to you? So far, this has been VARCO Sound. Oh, one more thing. VARCO Sound also has this feature. You can transform your voice into a creature or monster voice. This is really useful when you need to act as a cartoon or game character, or when you want to create a unique voice, like these. To record, you can click this button, click, and you're ready. The clip will be generated down here, and you can bring it up here. And this is what you want. Just click it and generate, and here. Like this, you can change your voice into a monster sound or anything you want. This concludes the VARCO Sound beta tutorial. For more details, you can check out additional information through the manual. Please try creating different sounds and share your feedback with us. When VARCO Sound officially launches, we plan to release many new features to help you create even higher quality sound design. Thank you for watching, and see you next time!